Today we're going to talk about Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic. We at M Reviews have prepared a complete video review with everything you need to know before you buy Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic. I also have some really important warnings, which I'll talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention so that you don't make any mistakes when using or buying Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic. The first thing you need to know about Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic is, be careful which website you buy Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic from, because Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic is only sold on the official website. To help you, I've left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So what is Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic and does it really work? And the answer is yes, Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic works, and after many laboratory tests, researchers have identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients. You'll feel much better overall. More energy, clearer thinking, reduced inflammation, less pain and better sleep. Think back a decade or two and that's how you'll feel again. You'll look better, your skin and face will be brighter and healthier, your fine lines and wrinkles will start to disappear. Finally, Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic will help you get rid of excess body fat and keep it off. I'm sure this formula is the secret to a slim and sexy figure for everyone. Your current situation doesn't matter. Whether you have 10, 50 or over 100 kilos to lose is irrelevant. Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic is composed of a patented blend of 8 natural ingredients proven to combat the root cause of unexplained weight gain due to exposure to blue light and lack of NREM sleep. They are valerian root, humulus lupulus, Griffonia simplicifolia or 5-HTP, berberine, spirulina blue, black cohosh, lutein, inulin powder, and we've added stevia, citric acid and flavoring for a delicious taste. 5-HTP. 5-HTP is an amino acid that your body creates naturally to produce serotonin. Serotonin is a chemical messenger known as one of the feel-good chemicals. According to studies, 5-HTP appears to neutralize hunger-inducing hormones such as ghrelin, limiting calorie intake and supporting weight loss. It also appears to support sleep quality by increasing melatonin production. Valerian root. Valerian root is a herb commonly used for its natural ability to improve sleep quality. It also appears to have natural anxiolytic effects, which can interfere with sleep quality. There is limited evidence that it may have benefits related to menstrual problems, restless legs syndrome and menopausal symptoms. Humulus iupulus, better known as hops, Humulus lupulus has natural sedative properties that help users fall asleep faster and stay asleep. A flavonoid in hops known as xanthohumol is believed to have properties that improve blood circulation by relaxing blood vessels. It can also provide natural relief from depression. Berberine. Berberine is a yellow-colored chemical best known for its ability to help balance blood sugar levels. In a 2024 study, 1.5 g of berberine significantly reduced body mass and waist circumference in overweight adults, compared to no change in the placebo group. It may also have other cardiovascular benefits. Blue spirulina. Blue spirulina is best known for improving digestive health and immune system function, as well as detoxifying the body. Some research suggests that spirulina can reduce blood pressure by increasing nitric oxide production and can reduce cholesterol levels. It is also said to increase the body's metabolic function, helping you to burn more calories throughout the day. Black cohosh. Black cohosh is well known for its ability to relieve menopausal symptoms. It also appears to support fertility, regulation of the menstrual cycle, fibroids and PMS. Although it doesn't directly cause sleep, recent research has shown that it can alleviate symptoms that interfere with sleep, especially in menopausal women. Lutein. Lutein is an antioxidant best known for its ability to protect and improve eye function. High dietary intake of lutein is also associated with better heart health, particularly related to better cholesterol levels. Finally, lutein appears to affect various aspects of brain health, particularly the production of neurotransmitters such as dopamine and serotonin, as well as cognitive functions such as memory. Inulin. Inulin is a soluble fiber that promotes the growth of healthy bacteria in the gut. Studies have found that inulin can slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, limiting blood sugar spikes. The latest research suggests that it can also regulate fat metabolism and even relieve symptoms of depression and anxiety. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic. Even on the official website it contains numerous testimonials from customers who have used Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic, and you can have results too. However, you need to bear in mind that each body will react in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you can be realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can actually test Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic for 90 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they'll give you your money back. So be safe to use Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic, but make sure you're buying from the official website to guarantee the benefits of the guarantee. In addition, for Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every day. Just mix a spoonful of the powder with water and drink it every day before bed. That's all. With this you'll get a powerful dose of all the potent nutrients to burn fat while you sleep. Otherwise you won't see great results and you'll actually get a bit frustrated. You may see initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 2 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic has no side effects as it is natural. So, I decided to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you go to buy Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope that this video has helped you, and I also hope that Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic really does help to improve your life and the many other benefits that this product promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you later.